All right, welcome back. In this Flipgrid video, we are going to talk about how you can add a topic to your grid. So in the last video, we talked about how to add a grid, which is kind of at the class level. So if an elementary teacher would create one called Miss Glass's fourth grade class, or if you're a secondary teacher, you might have one for each period that you teach. But I'm going to go into one of my two grids that are on this account, and this is just called my test grid. So now that I'm in my test grid, you'll see that there is a topic that's already been created. This is automatically created, it says say hello on Flipgrid. So you could use that, but I want to show you how to create a new topic. So we're going to click on the red button that says add new topic. And when we do that, we're going to give it a title. So we're going to call this just reading response. This is kind of a good one to get your feet wet with Flipgrid. And then in the prompt, you're just going to tell students what you want them to do. So you're going to say something along the lines of, tell me about your favorite book. And you can write more, tell them, ask them to tell you why it's their favorite book, some of the characters or what the basic plot is, or maybe you can kind of do a book tease where you have them try to convince their fellow classmates why they should read a book. But that's kind of a good one to start with. And then up here at the recording time, you can choose anywhere from 15 seconds all the way up to 10 minutes. Yikes, not sure if I would do 10 minutes unless you were having them do a long presentation. I'd probably put it somewhere at a minute or a minute and a half just to keep them quick and concise. As I scroll down, then you'll see that we do have some more options down here. This is called the focus, where you can add media resources to engage the students further. In the next video, I'll really explore this recorded video option, but I want to keep this one short for now. So I'm just going to click on the button at the bottom to create the topic. Once I have done that, it says your topic is ready, and you'll notice it gives you a Flipgrid code here where you could just copy this and share this out with your students if you wanted them to go directly to this topic. I typically tell teachers it's best to just send them to your class grid so that they can get to it and they can see all the topics. But if you wanted to send them specifically just to this topic, you would just copy that down and send it. Once you click all set here at the bottom, then you are all set. And here is your topic page. You can add something in here. That's the focus. We'll look at that in a later video. But as responses come in from your students, you'll begin to see them down here. All right, see you next time as we explore Flipgrid further.